Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can create a Moneygram account. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. First of all, go over to your preferred browser and just search for moneygram.com. And after that, your homepage will look something like this. Now you will have to basically tap on the sign up option on the right side. And after that, you will be taken to this page where you will have to first of all enter your email address over here. And after that, just create a password for your Moneygram account. And now, once you have done, you will have to enter your phone number over here. And once you have entered it, just simply tap on next. Now you will have to enter information about yourself, such as your first name, your middle name, and your last name, and your date of birth. And after that, you will have to enter your address, such as your street address, your city, and your state and your zip code. Once you have entered these, just proceed with the next create profile, and you will successfully create an account on Moneygram. So this is basically how you can create a Moneygram account online. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.